What brought me here, Your Worship, is that I want to bring the application for amicus curiae to be the friend of court. Let me say simple term, not say much about Latin. To be the friend of court in this matter. The reason is that I'm informed that the accused today, they are here to apply for the relaxation of their bail conditions. So, as a result of that, firstly, I'm also the accused in other matter, whereby your brother is appearing, acting chief Mashango. My matter is coming on the 22nd of October, next week Tuesday. So the reason for me being here and bringing this application is on the basis of the fact that the applicants are very dangerous people. I was in jail. They are part of sending me in jail. Then when I was in jail, they were monitoring my communication in jail. Whereby Mr. Khumalo, the divisional commissioner, is accused number one in this matter. He appointed Brigadier Moyana.
Objection, yes. And the court pleases, Your Worship. Your Worship, with the due respect to my learned friend, there is no application, substantive application that has been brought before this court on papers for the request for my learned friend to be accepted as a friend of this court and to be able to stand before this court and be able to address this honorable court regarding the issues implicating my clients before this court. And therefore, my Lord, I ask that my learned friend be not allowed to address his lordship on the ground and basis upon which he wants to apply as a friend of this court. And above that, the application will be opposed. In criminal law, we never have had such an advocate who wants to join the proceeding as a friend of the court. In civil court, yes, we do know the proceeding. It does happen like that. And my clients will be prejudiced should this court allow my learned friend, Mr. Teffo, to continue placing on record the allegations that he wants to place on record.
Hey Dumisani, welcome back to South African Political Lens. Yo, today's story, I won't lie, is one of those where your head just starts spinning. We're talking about Malesela Teffo, the controversial advocate who's now requesting to be a friend of the court in the case involving crime intelligence boss Dumisani Khumalo at the Pretoria Magistrates Court.
Wait, John? So Teffo, the same Teffo who said he was wrongfully jailed, now wants to involve himself in Khumalo's case? Didn't he literally say, "These are very dangerous people. They're the ones who sent me to jail"?
Exactly, Sarah. That's what makes this so wild. One moment Khumalo is a hero, the next he's suddenly dangerous? I don't know about you, but this whole situation feels like watching a telenovela unfold in real time.
You're right, John. And I think part of the reason we're so confused is because we don't actually know half of what's going on behind the scenes. One minute it's Khumalo, the fearless corruption buster, then suddenly it's Khumalo, the villain. It's hard to tell who's really on the right side of this fight anymore.
Exactly. And to be fair, I haven't seen anything dramatic come out yet about Khumalo or even about Masemola and Mkwanazi. But I'll say this. The fact that these three are constantly grouped together like some kind of three musketeers, it's giving major faction vibes.
Yo, John, you're not wrong. It really is giving faction vibes. But hey, we'll give them the benefit of the doubt for now.
Now, speaking of Teffo, can we just pause for a second? I looked at that video again, and please tell me I'm not crazy. Did Teffo draw on his beard?
Yo, John, I saw that too. I paused it, zoomed in. I swear that beard line looked like it came straight out of a barbershop stencil.
But jokes aside, Sarah, on a serious note, I really think Teffo needs to take South Africans into his confidence. He must explain everything properly, because right now, we're all just lost trying to piece together what's actually going on.
I agree. We want to support him. We really do. But sometimes Teffo jumps from one claim to another so fast that the story loses us halfway through. If he really wants people to take him seriously again, he has to be transparent and consistent.
Well said, Sarah. Right now, all we can do is wait and watch, because this saga between Teffo, Khumalo, and the so-called Three Musketeers is far from over. Stay sharp, Mzansi.
And maybe, just maybe, next time we talk about this story, we'll actually understand what's really going on. Till next time, Mzanti.